everyone, this is James the Egg here for a tutorial of how to join the Jags cult. Wait a minute, who are you? I'm James the Super Engine. I'm from a different timeline. Well, that sounds really cool. Is there other James from this timeline? I guess so.
Hello everyone, I'm the original Model Series James. And wait, am I seeing double?
I'm the Egg version, and this is James the Super Engine from a different timeline.
That's wonderful to hear, but is there more of them than you guys?
Hello, my name is Jameis, and it looks like I am locking at 3 Jamaises.
Ugh, your spelling is so awful.
Show some respect, you model variant. Ha 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 ha.
I forgot that he's annoying.
Awesome. I just found the mystery of the multiverse. Is there more for my chance?
Me don't know if there is.
The name's James. James the Bond 005. And it looks like we got the imposter in this group.
Brew were not among us.
Oops, my bad. I thought we're playing Among Us.
Among Us like funny years ago.
Okay then.
I think that's the last one.
I don't think so.
Hello everyone, do you want to see a joke?
No thanks. We're good.
Many unbearable hours later.
I think that's good enough for the Jags cult.
The what?
Hey, what about me?